Hello everyone, this is Valerie Ciosoro and this is Math Tuto channel. And today we're going to get the mean median mode of a group data. So now we need to find the mean for group data. The first problem here is calculate the mean score of 60 students in Mathematics 12. So in our class interval, we have 26 to 30, 21 to 25, 16 to 20, 11 to 15, 6 to 10, and 1 to 5. So the frequency of our mean is 5, 11, 15, 9, 13, 7. And this is the n is equal to 60. So our midpoint here is 28, 23, 18, 13, 8, and 3. In our fx, or the frequency and the midpoint, is we just need to times this to get the answer of the fx. So 5 times 28 is equal to 140. 11 times 23 is 253. 15 times 18 is 270. 9 times 13 is 117. 13 times 8 is 104. And lastly, 7 times 3 is 21. So now, we proceed on finding the or using the formula of the mean. We need to sum up first this fx. So, summation of fx is equal to 905. This is the answer. Then we're going to use the formula. So we just copy our summation of fx is equal to 905 and the n is equal to 60. So x bar is equal to, copy this, 905, then the n divided by 60. So x bar is equal to 15.08. So now this is our mean for group data. So now we proceed on finding the median for group data. So our formula here is MD equal to LL plus N over 2 minus CF all over F times I. We have here the same problem, but this time we need to find the median score. So again, given ang class interval, which is here, and the frequency, this time, ang hahanapin naman natin is the lower limits or lower boundary and the CF or the cumulative frequency. So, ang first step sa pagkuha ng size of class interval, which is the I, this is the I is equal to 5 since the class interval is counted as 5. So, ito, hindi na siya kasama. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and again, our frequency is equal to 60. So, in getting the lower boundary or lower limits, kailangan natin tingnan ang pagitan ng numbers sa class interval. So, 26 to 30 is equal to 25.5. And 21 to 25 is equal to 20.5. 16 to 20 is equal to 15.5. 11 to 15 is equal to 10.5. 6 to 10 is equal to 5.5. And lastly, 1 to 5 is equal to 0.5. In getting the CF naman po, we just need to subtract the frequency, which is n is equal to 60. Then, 60, ang lalagay po natin sa unang row is 60 since the frequency is 60. So, 60 minus 5 is equal to 55. Then, 11 minus 55 is equal to 44. Then, 44 minus 15 is 29. Then, 29 minus 9 is 20. And lastly, 20 minus 13 is 7. Then, 7 minus 7 is 0. So, meaning, we're correct here since our last answer is 0. So, hindi na po natin nalagay yung 0. Then, now, we proceed in calculating the median. The median score. So, in formula, here is the formula. MD is equal to LL plus N over 2 minus CF all over F times I. So, first, we need to get this n equal to n divided by 2. So, since ang n, since ang n natin is 60, then divided by 2 is equal to 30. So, now we proceed. So again, our formula is MD is equal to LL, or the lower limits or lower boundary, plus N, this is the frequency, times 2 minus CF, or the cumulative frequency, over F times I. Ang I is the class interval. So, MD is equal to, our LL is 15.5 plus this one, n divided by 2. This is the answer, so we copy 30. Then our CF is 29, and the frequency is 15. So, times 5. This is I. Class interval is equal to 5. So, MD is equal to 15.5 plus 1 over 15. This become 1 since we minus 30 minus 29 is equal to 1. Then copy the frequency times 5. So, MD is equal to 15.5 plus 1 divided by 15 is 0.07 times 5. So, now, we need to calculate this. 15.5 plus 0.07 times 5 is equal to 15.8. And now this is our median for group data. 15.8. So since we're done finding the median, we proceed on finding the mode for the group data. So we have the same problem here, but the missing is the mode. So again, the class interval is, so our formula in getting the mode for group data is MO is equal to LL plus B sub 1 over B sub 1 plus B sub 2 times the I. So, mode is equal to 15.5, which is the lower boundary, plus B sub 1 is equal to 4, then over B sub 1, 4, plus B sub 2, or B sub 2 is 6, then times 5. our class interval is 5. So, MO is equal to 15.5 plus 4. We just need first to add this one, which is 10 times 5. So, 15.5 plus, for me, I do 4 times 5 first. So, 4 times 5 is 20 over 10. Then, mode is equal to 5.5 plus 20 divided by 10 is 2. So, 15.5 plus 2 is equal to 17.5. So, this is now our mode for the group data.